Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to 181st week of 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, where people send in scraps and I take 10 minutes or less and I create a card out of them and send it back to them so that they can enjoy it and use it for whatever purposes they want. So these are from Carol Watson, and we're going to pull out all the stuff that she sent, and I'm pretty sure that I've made another one out of here. I don't know how long ago, but there's so much paper in here that I said I would do another one. And I'm obviously not going to use it all again. It's very vintage, shabby chic. It's got tons of all kinds of embellishments and little scraps and buttons, and it's just amazing. I mean, look at this. Look how beautiful these are. All the love in the world. There's just so much stuff on here. So I'm going to get to playing. I made a regular A2 size card. I'm looking for my tool here. There it is, my little scoreboard. I am going to make a top folding card. I must have put it away. There it is. So 5.5. We'll score that. And we will get started. Alright, we've got 10 minutes to create a card. And you know what? I think I'm going to make what am I saying? Oh, I just have no words today. None at all. I'm going to make a stand-up card, which you guys all know what these are called, and it's just not coming to me today. You got to make sure that whatever you're going to put on here, halfway down is going to fit on the card. Otherwise, you're going to need a longer envelope. And this is obviously going to need a longer envelope, unless I use this gal. Oh, perfect. Okay, she's gonna fit. So I'm gonna try to maybe put something underneath her. A little. Look at that. I mean, I just hate to. I don't want to wreck these. What is this one? The best thing about memories is making them. That's beautiful. Something for the background is what I'm looking for. So maybe something like that would be pretty. I'll go ahead and do that. So I'm covering the whole back first. Oh, I could use that. I actually kind of like the stripes better, so I'm going to put that on. Just going to put it down and cut off all the excess. We might want to use some of it, so I'll just keep it with the pile here. Except maybe not that teeny tiny one that I just created. And then she will get taped on here, about halfway and down. Or glue, or whatever you're using. I'm going to try to center her on here. And then, of course, the card's going to stand up like that. So now we need to put a little bit of something on the bottom, which I have some more of this paper. That would look super cool. Let's go ahead and just put that whole thing down on there. Totally could have used some of this blue paper, but I guess I'm going to go with this instead. And then I have to have something for a stopper. So I've just kind of been looking through here, like the pink. That's an awful lot of pink. I don't know if I want that one. This one has a little sentiment on it. That could be a great stopper. Ooh, also this one. That's really cool. Let's save that for something else. That's amazing. Just for you. Oh, there's a little bunch of flowers here. That's cute. That would make a really cute stopper. Sent with love. I'd like to put on a couple of these. You know what? I could just use these buttons for the stopper and then put these on here too. That would be really cute. going to use some of these gems too. I don't think I used these last time. I can't decide, so my mind is going, let's just do something a little bit different here while we think of it. I'm going to put some gems here. Wow, I'm having issues with this gem. This pearl. Goodness sakes. Okay. Let's put on one on the other side. Pretty much same spot. And then a couple on the bottom. Those are so pretty. Can you see those on there? It's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna run out of time if I don't get this put together here. Oh, wow. That's really cool. Too much of it is cool. I don't know what to put on there. This was my first thought. Maybe I want to do... Oh, goodness. Oh, this chair is cute too. What does this say? Best wishes. That would be fun. Best wishes with maybe these guys on here. Those to hold it, right? And then the best wishes could be popped up like right here. That would be super cute. I think that would be the cutest out of all the choices we have here. So that's what I'm going to go with. An easel card. Oh my gosh, where's my brain today? I'm making an easel card. Some of you guys are probably like, duh. Oh man. Alright, let's see. See if I can get this kind of even. And then I have to get something that's going to keep these down. Glue dots. Glue dots I think would be best for plastic. So we don't want them popping back up. That would suck. I'll put one on like each side. And then decide like how far up do we want this to go. That looks perfect. Two more for the little one. One on each side. Yeah, super cute. Do I have any of those gems left? Oh, I only have one pearl left. Okay. I have these kind of gems left, but I was hoping to have more pearls. That's really precious, though. This looks really crooked. I'm going to see if I can peel that off without wrecking it. Oh gosh, that stuff is really sticky. I mean, you want it to be right, but man, it just doesn't look straight. How's that? I hope that's straighter. Oh yeah, I fixed it. That's pretty straight. I don't know, do we want to put a little... This is so cute right here. I wish I had a couple more of these because I would put these guys on here. I only have two. I only have two of them. So I think I might be done. Well, I'm just looking. What else do I have? We're going to have fun playing with these in the new year. I know that seems like a long, far way off, but it's going to jump right in your face. I know it is. It always does for me. Best wishes sent with love. Sent with love. No, I don't know. I like it there, but I don't know if I really like it there. Might be cute if I popped it up. Yeah, maybe I'll pop it up and put it on. I can't make up my mind. Let's just do it. I suppose we can always try to peel it off if I don't like it. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to add that on. It sticks out a little further than the buttons, unfortunately, so that's now the stopper. But it's cute. It's very cute. And that is all the time I have, so I'm going to save all of these scraps. I'm going to, on the back here somewhere, stamp my information so I can send this to Carol Watson. So Carol, thank you for sending your stuff in again. I made another cool card with all your stuff, and I'm going to put it back in here and put it away for crop in the new year this year. So I hope you don't mind. This is such beautiful stuff. I don't want to waste it. So that's where that's going to go. I'm going to set that on the side. Don't forget to check out koalitycrafts.com, where you can find links so that you can become a Patreon, help support my channel so that I can keep doing all this fun stuff for you. There's also a link to a schedule where it'll show you our Google Calendar for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Mondays are always a technique tutorial, kind of a fun video. Wednesdays are always like today, 5 p.m. It's 1 in 10 by Jen, and I make a card in less than 10 minutes. And then Fridays are a Zoom night where we get together with all of our crafty friends live on Zoom, and we hang out. We have like our Friday night dinners, and we craft, and we just sit and chat, and it's totally up to you what you want to do with that time. But it's 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've moved from Wisconsin Central Standard Time to Tennessee Eastern Standard Time. So if you're new here, that won't be any big news for you. But if you haven't been here in a while, that might be kind of confusing. So it's Eastern Standard Time now. And I hope to see you for all of the things that are going on in the group. Join us on Facebook. That's a really good place to be. Drama and commitment free. And until then, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.